Imagine growing a YouTube channel to thousands, even millions of subscribers without ever showing your face. Sounds impossible? Heck no, it's totally doable, and it's blowing up right now in 2026. Faceless videos are the hottest trend, letting creators like you pump out killer content while staying completely anonymous. And guess what? Tools like Syllaby make it dead simple, super fast, and insanely effective. Today, I'm pumped to walk you through exactly how to get started. From nailing your niche to cranking out pro-level videos with zero camera time. This could seriously level up your content game. Stick around, because we're about to dive in and make some magic happen. Faceless YouTube videos are all about keeping the creator hidden. Think epic voiceovers, smooth animations, killer stock footage, or crisp screen recordings, anything but your face on screen. Why dive into Faceless? For starters, it's a privacy powerhouse. If you're camera shy or just want to keep your personal life under wraps, this is your ticket to freedom. Plus, it lets the content steal the show. No distractions from the presenter means viewers lock in on the pure value you're dropping. Imagine sharing motivation boosts, tech reviews, mind-blowing facts, or DIY hacks, and racking up millions of views just like those top channels do. The energy is electric. People love it because it's all about the message, not the messenger. And here's the game changer. Syllaby turbocharges the whole process by whipping up ideas, scripts, and even full videos in a flash, saving you hours of headache and letting you focus on what you love. Creating. All right, let's kick things off with step one, choosing your niche. This is the absolute sweet spot for your channel, where your burning passion crashes into what people are actually searching for online. Don't go broad, get specific to stand out. Instead of just lifestyle, crank it up to minimalist living tips for urban hustlers. Skip generic tech and zoom in on app reviews with no face cam needed. Boom. That specificity builds a tribe of loyal fans super fast. Viewers know exactly what they're getting, so they stick around longer. Watch time explodes, and your subscriber count skyrockets. It's like rocket fuel for growth. But hey, watch out for those super saturated niches. Add your unique twist, like minimalism for busy parents juggling work and kids. If it's too narrow, you might cap your audience, but that's okay. Start there and expand. Pro move, fire up Syllaby's idea discovery tool to spy on real search trends and hot topics. It'll show you what's popping right now, so you can jump on opportunities and dominate. Now, step two, creating a killer script with Syllaby. This is where the real excitement ramps up. Head over to Syllaby, the link is in the description, sign up in seconds, and dive into the AI script assistant. It's like having a genius co-writer on speed dial. Punch in your topic, say how to start faceless YouTube channels in 2026, and watch the AI generate a full-blown script packed with hooks to grab attention, step-by-step breakdowns, and a killer call to action to keep them coming back. Syllaby doesn't just spit out words, it pulls in real-time trends and SEO keywords, so your video climbs those YouTube ranks like a boss. Yeah, some folks gripe that AI scripts can feel a bit generic at first, but that's easy, tweak away. You keep all the creativity while slashing your time investment. The payoff? Super engaging, optimized content that hooks viewers from the first second and keeps them glued till the end. It's a total win for boosting retention and turning casual watchers into die-hard fans. Once your script's locked and loaded, it's time to generate that masterpiece. Syllaby handles the heavy lifting, hit generate, and in just minutes you've got a polished video ready to roll. Export it with ease, upload straight to YouTube, and boom, you're live. But wait, let's talk about the scheduler feature because this is an absolute beast for scaling your channel. Syllaby's built-in content calendar and bulk scheduler let you plan out posts weeks in advance. No more scrambling at the last minute. This consistency is key to hacking the YouTube algorithm. It loves regular uploads, so your videos get pushed to more people, views pile up, and growth accelerates like crazy. Whether you're a side hustler or full-time creator, the scheduler turns chaos into a smooth, automated machine, helping you build momentum without burnout. It's not just a tool, it's your secret weapon for long-term success. That's it, your first faceless YouTube video, powered by the awesomeness of Syllaby. Start small, pick that niche today, generate an epic script, create your video, and schedule it out. You've got this.